So I came here because it'll be good to see like a workshop of like something different. Like although it's JavaScript, it's like a different library of JavaScript, and it's really good. The person who teaches it is good. I found the experience amazing, and yeah.
I chose to come to this coding workshop because my teacher nominated me, and also because I find coding really interesting, and I thought it would be a good opportunity moving forward to experiment with things I haven't necessarily done before. I've learned how to code at school previously, but I've never actually considered coding as something that I could have a future in, and I thought it was really interesting to learn about the way that could be applied in day-to-day life.
My name is Councillor Antoinette Bravo. I'm the Deputy Mayor of Hackney, Cabinet Member for Education, Children's Social Care and Young People. So you can understand why I'm really excited to be here today and launch our coding competition event with our partners Twilio. And this is a fantastic opportunity for young people to be at the forefront of shaping the digital landscape going forward. There's a whole opportunity for new jobs, new opportunities and innovation, and we want, here in the heart of Hackney, our children to be centre of that. So the competition is a fantastic way to energise young people, to get involved in coding, and for those that want to do this as a career, they are on the pathway, and even those that don't want, they too can be part of the process. It's really important our young people understand that they are the problem solvers for the generation going forward for the problems that we're facing around IT.
Hi there, my name's Alex Elaine. I work for Twilio, and we're really excited to be partnering with Hackney Learning Trust to deliver this fantastic two-day workshop where we're helping to bridge the skills gap by empowering students with coding skills, presentation skills, and giving them functional skills to assist them in being able to be more impactful in the workplace using digital skills and creativity. So we're really excited and can't wait to see what they build.
Hi guys, I'm Nisha and I'm from the Hackney Learning Trust and I work in IT procurement, and I'm really excited for today's event because it's so lovely to see lots of young people really excited about coding and how advanced they already are and how keen they are on learning some more and how they're going to shape our coding future. So,
hi, my name's Bertie Seban. I'm Head of IT at Hackney Learning Trust. Really excited today about the event that we've organised for a number of our young people across Hackney Schools. It's our coding challenge for 2019. Very special day because this is the first event of its kind. Really trying to capture as much as we can in getting young people involved in coding. So I'm very excited to be here. I hope the event goes really well. We've got a number of kids that are really engaged with what they're doing at the moment, and hopefully it'll be a great 2 days.